This is Take Two Movie Review. I'm Clinton Johnston. This week, the glorious RBG. In 1993, when then-President Bill Clinton appointed D.C. Federal Appellate Justice Ruth Bader Ginsberg to the United States Supreme Court, I'm embarrassed to say that I thought what I think many people at the time thought. Who the heck is Ruth Bader Ginsberg? Of course, I wasn't embarrassed then, but I am embarrassed now because now I have finally gotten off of my duff and seen RBG, the film about the much-memed justice directed by documentary director and producer Julie Cohen and documentary producer Betsy West. Cohen's and West's RBG is a non-narrated documentary that uses a series of interviews with Ginsberg, her family members, her friends, her colleagues, her former clients, her opponents, and Nina Totenberg as its narrative spine. It traces the Associate Justice's life from childhood, through her higher education, through her practicing legal career, to finally her stint on the High Court up until now. One of the gifts that the movie gives us is its time spent outlining Ginsberg's achievements before becoming a justice. This attorney, that no firm in the 60s would hire, finally found work with the ACLU, where she took inspiration from Thurgood Marshall's civil rights strategy to carve out a framework for American anti-gender discrimination law. Though it's Ginsberg's recent role as the great dissenter that has launched her as an unlikely icon, and don't worry, the last third of the film delves into this court time and its pop culture fallout, it is this first portion of the film that is the most moving. Ginsberg's quiet, unassuming, and yet tenacious attack on the personal and professional obstacles thrown in her way is sobering on its own, but Cohen's and West's treatment leaves you awed and inspired. In fact, RBG, without sacrificing substance or becoming saccharine, is one of the warmest documentaries you'll see, especially and maybe necessarily so, for a subject like Ginsberg, who is soft-spoken, reserved, and way too busy with the work she must do to advertise her doing of it. Still, a horn like Ginsberg's deserves to be tooted. Well, toot toot. Thanks, RBG. This has been Take Two Movie Review. I'm Clinton Johnston. Catch up with us at TakeTwoMovieReview.com and feed us back on our page on YouTube.